Oh, just take a new composition and just name it text. ओके उसको 1080 बाई 1080 रखेंगे एंड ड्यूरेशन रखेंगे उसकी 10 seconds. Okay, then just okay, then just take a text tool and just write glass. Okay, then just go on align tool, align it. Okay, then just simply राइट क्लिक करेंगे, एक न्यू कंपोजिशन क्रिएट करेंगे 1080 by 1080 की. दैन जस्ट ड्यूरेशन रखेंगे उसकी 30 seconds. ओके, नेम इट डिस्प्लेसमेंट मैप. ओके, just create a composition, then just right click करेंगे and just take a solid. Let's take a solid 70 by 1080. Just name it strips. Take a black color and just okay. Just go on effects panel, just write gradient ramp. Okay, we have. Just take this effect, just drag and drop on the layer. Okay, take this value on 540. Okay, that's all to take is 540. ठीक है, then just इस upper वाली value को हम 0 रखेंगे. Symbol is increase that something that 70. Okay, then just effects में आएंगे, type motion title, take that effect, just drag and drop on the layer. Choose order width, increase something 450 something. Okay, then just take a इसको इतना रखेंगे like something here. Okay, just press P to open position, take a keyframe on it, just 20 seconds. Then इसको select करके just take it from here. Okay, let's take it. Okay, काफ़ी slow लग रहा है I think. Just take it keyframe, just take it from last keyframe and just drag some frames up. Take a text panel, then just select displacement layer down into your text. Okay, then layer को hide कर देंगे simple. Then just right click, take a new adjustment layer, then just right click करके उसको rename करेंगे glass. Okay, then simple उसको अपनी layer के ऊपर रखेंगे, text layer के अपने effects and presets panel में आएंगे, just right displacement map. Okay, here we go. Just drag and select and drag and drop on your adjustment layer. Okay, switch into displacement map. Just vertically select करेंगे इसकी properties on 0. Just select your horizontally properties in this okay, increase these properties. Okay, now we have done here. Just play it. कैसा? If you really enjoyed it, make sure to like this video and आप मेरा channel subscribe भी कर सकते हो for more. And you can also follow me on Instagram. I'll catch you next time for more creative and informative stuffs. Allah Hafiz.